man. Dog, you frighten me, my youth. Bumba. Man, you come to the car, man. Bumba. Who is that? Brother. Frighten me, dog. Oh, man, yo, put on your seatbelt, dog. I need to check them much. Frighten me, my youth.
Oh, man.
Dog, me I feel that one day for you around me down one night to charge it. Are you?
No, man, none of me, man. You good, though?
Yeah, man, you?
Yeah, man, I'm decent, you know?
Say David.
We're gonna mash at works, you know?
Sure.
That's cool, man. Hold the bag in. See?
Hollywood, what is? Hollywood. My youth. Why not a bag of my youth? My youth.
My youth, now open the bag, you know, man. One thing, where you open the bag for?
Hollywood.
You get the bag for hold the bag. Just hold the bag, now, my youth. Now open the bag, man.
Which part we go, my youth? Because you come tell me about old bag and you're not tell me which part them go, brother.
You see that you the rightness up?
How him?
Man, you take this and go dash everything on it.
What do you mean about dash everything on him, brother?
My youth, what I say? I'm gonna take the bag and dash everything on him right now.
Hold on there. Jesus Christ.
My youth, you ready? Yo, go deal with the thing now, man.
Ready now. Pull up on him, brother. Mind how them, dog?
Ecuadorian oranges. Now that's what I'm talking about. Ooh. They told me you were the man to come find and oh man.
I'm glad that you're
Listen,
happy,
you
brother.
gonna get your money via Cash App, alright? Yo, give me that, bro. What? Ooh.
Who the brother, man, youth?
That's what I'm talking about.
Chachi, I this carry me at the car and bring me go around the road for come to brother. Man, youth. Watch out now. You see time I come on the road again, just dust him, man, youth. That me I tell you, Mike. Right now, dog, you take man for eat that in man, youth. I really that you bring man come in and come to brother. Dog, better just dust him, man, to dog. That man I tell you.
Another satisfied customer. Woo! That's what I'm talking about, baby. Yes!
Better know these things, you know. Like, seriously.